Hello guys, I'm back with new experiment and welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World. Let's start the experiment. Have you ever seen in Diwali a crackers? Yes. But I'm going to show you how to make crackers in the home and in the water. Color crackers in the water only. So let's start the experiment. For the experiment, you need two any food colors. I took big spoon, and you need olive oil and hot water. Fill up in the tap. Fill up in the transparent glass. So let's start the experiment. First of all, you need to pour 4 drops of red food coloring in the oil, in the side of the oil. So like this. So now pour the oil in the hot water glass carefully. It is just like the lava lamp, but in another way.